Okay, this is a walkthrough for the baseboard trim, which at this point we'll just assume will be about a 4-inch primed MDF rectangular profile. Okay, I'm just going to completely walk around the perimeter. Okay, so I'm just going to count the pieces for whatever that's worth. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not baseboard. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not baseboard. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For now, just forget about any baseboard on the stairs. 21, 22. Forget about the kitchen. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, no baseboard. 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, forget about the stairs. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Actually, forget about, we'll leave the baseboard in the laundry room. So minus 6, I was at 68. Okay, 62 we're at. So forget about the laundry room. So we're at 62. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So that's 68 pieces. I understand you're not pricing it by the pieces typically, you're pricing it by the linear foot, but just to help you get a understanding of how many pieces you're going to be cutting and individually handling and measuring, I'd like to give you that information. Okay, thank you.